You don't have to have perfect credit to get a reverse mortgage, and that's really cool. It's based on two things: willingness and capacity. It's not based on FICO. You may have had some lates. You can explain that to the underwriter. It's actually easier to get a reverse mortgage than a traditional mortgage. Now, the one caveat is you have to have equity. There's a lot of people that say, oh, you need to have about 50%. But honestly, if you're 62, you need to be closer to around 65% of equity. And that's just the truth. Now, it is a sliding scale. So remember the age of the youngest, or I'm sorry, the younger borrowing or non-borrowing spouse. So if the husband's 62 and the wife is 55, you can still do a HECM. The wife, because she's not 62, would be considered a non-borrowing spouse, which is fine because at a life event, the non-borrowing spouse stays put until a life event for her. The one thing though, when you're a non-borrowing spouse with the line of credit, if the borrowing spouse passes, then that line of credit goes bye-bye. So the non-borrowing spouse can't continue to, use from it. But if the borrowing spouse, is ill or, declining, then maybe it's a good idea to take from that line and just make a deposit into your bank account. I mean, you have to do what's best for you. All I'm trying to say is that qualifying for a reverse mortgage is easier than a traditional mortgage. It is based on your equity position and age, and it should be, because if you think about how the program works, I mean, yes, the bank is taking a big risk, but everybody that gives money, they do a risk assessment. So the bottom line with a reverse mortgage, the best thing that you can do is live a long life and enjoy your home. DM me if you want to talk more.